Okay, guys. Yeah, this is part 2. This is part 2. I have to charge my phone. There we go. Okay. Yeah, just as usual. Planes, guys. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be probably the worst video, but I just want to do it. Okay, guys. I just like to do videos. Just do whenever I want to.
Sorry, I need this towel. I gotta wipe the window.
Oh, how are you gonna wipe the window exactly?
It was fogging up and I couldn't see.
Well, rain is not that bad, but when it's like a blizzard out, you're gonna have problems. Yeah, blizzards are not the good things to driving cars. You wouldn't be able to move. This is really dark out, and oh crap. If you hear a big voice, that's her phone. She's watching it. She's watching Netflix. Oh, this is my favorite part. Oh, I like the darkness. Darkness. Guys, if you can't see it, then light it up as the best as you can, and you'll probably see it. Oh, there's light. There's light. There was just light right there. Yeah, guys. I just got, we just left my grandma's, house, and, yeah, we're off. We're off to, didn't we get my Skittles, Mommy?
We're about to stop and get them.
I thought, we went to family videos, never mind. What are you trying to say there? Guys, what are you trying to say there? No. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end the video here, guys. So if you liked it, punch the like button in the face like a pro. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Good.